To make this fishtail cord, you need 8 pieces of yarn. I will make this braid with 4 colors and I will use 2 pieces of 60 centimeters of each color. You have to make a knot. Take a safety pin and place the safety pin in a pillow, what you prefer. Then you have to separate the yarn, 4 pieces on the left and 4 pieces on the right, in the same order in one side than on the other side. Now, once we have the colors on each side, take the black yarn from the left to the group of the right side and the black yarn from the right side to the group of the left side, making a crossing. Now make the same with the white yarn. Take the yarn from the left side and place it with the yarn on the right side, and the same with the white yarn of the right side. Take the white yarn and place it with the group of the left side. Now take the orange yarn from the left to the right, to the group of the right side, to the group of the right side, and take the orange yarn from the right side to the left side, and repeat the same with the yellow yarn. From the left to the right and from the right to the left. And you have to repeat the same, making the crossings to have the length that you want. In my case, I'm making a bracelet for a kid and I will finish now, but if you prefer you can make it longer. And once you have the length that you want, you only have to make a knot. And you finished your bracelet, or you can use it also as a cord.